Melatonin is present in the human bloodstream in teeny quantities measured in femtomoles, 10 to the minus 15. And in the late 1970s, there were not yet any radioimmunoassays that enabled people to measure melatonin in such small quantities. And at that point, Dr. Al Louis, with his colleague Sandy Markey, developed a mass spectrometer assay, which enabled him to measure melatonin, and that was what enabled him to show that light could suppress melatonin. But the trouble was that you could only handle relatively small numbers of samples with a mass spec. It was only later that Dr. Josephine Arendt created a powerful radioimmunoassay that enabled people to measure melatonin in larger numbers of samples, and that has proved tremendously helpful in understanding that light actually has many biological functions. For example, it shifts circadian rhythms, it suppresses melatonin, it has antidepressant effects, and so that radioimmunoassay enabled us to understand a lot about the effects of light on the brain.